Hey everyone, I'm the off-grid vegan chef, and in today's episode we're making this ridiculously absurd pile of nachos guaranteed to ruin all your body goals, because why not? First I'm going to make refried beans because these take a really long time. I've got about 2 cups of pinto beans here that I soaked overnight and rinsed. To them I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of diced jalapeno, an ancho chili that I removed the seeds from, and about 8 cups of water. Now I'm going to transfer it all into a large cast iron pot with a lid and let that cook over a small fire for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours, so now I'll take it off the fire. And now I'll just smash the hell out of these beans until they're all good and, mashed. Pretty much just like that. Yep, now I'll put them back over the coals until I'm ready to use them. Now I'm going to make some taco meat using Beyond Beef crumbles and an ordinary package of taco seasoning. Simply add the crumbles to a well-oiled cast iron skillet hot enough to melt a person's face off, get them nice and brown, add the taco seasoning, give them a good stir, add a little bit of water, and presto. Now I'm going to make a zesty sauce for the nachos. I'll start out with a big spoonful of veganese, then I'm going to add an equal amount of tahini, a big squirt of yellow mustard, the juice of half a key lime, a splash of water, and give it a good stir. And now I'm going to make some guacamole simply by peeling 3 ripe avocados and then just smashing the hell out of them, along with the juice from the other half of that key lime. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, give it another stir, and voila. I filled a round baking pan with the homemade chips we made in the last episode, and now I'm covering them with slices of Chao cheese that I cut into strips. I'm also going to sprinkle some Veggie Shreds on top, just to, mix it up a little bit. Now I'm adding a thick layer of refried beans, another layer of cheese, the taco meat, and yet another layer of cheese. Good lord, this is a lot of cheese. Now this is going to go into a preheated grill for about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I'm ready to finish dressing the nachos. I'll start out by covering them with the fresh salsa we made from the last episode, then the guacamole. Yeah, I licked my finger, so what? They're my nachos. Then some freshly diced jalapenos and shredded lettuce. And lastly but not leastly, the delicious zesty sauce. And we are done. I am seriously going to devour this whole plate in one sitting. I don't care what anybody thinks about me. I mean, just look at that. Oh boy, here we go. Oh man. This might be the most excited I have been to try something. Let's see here. Oh. It's a little loud. It's okay. Yo. Oh yeah. That is so good. Holy shit, that's good. Oh man, I'm off my diet. It. I gotta get some more here. A little bit more. Let me get this fork. Help me get a lot on there. Oh yeah. I really want to get a little bit of everything on this one. Just come on. Come the f on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Jesus. That's it. I quit.